Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tiny J. I am back with another video. As you can tell by the title, it is an everyday look that I'm gonna do for you guys. So I have not started with my brows or anything. So I don't think I'm gonna really do a talk through. I don't know what I'm gonna give you guys, but whatever I give you, I hope you enjoy. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. That's what I'm about to do. This is an everyday look. It's easy. Anybody can do it. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, if I can do it, you can do it, okay? That's all I'm saying, because we in this together. Together. So yeah, I'm doing this video, and this is my everyday look when I do. This is what I go to all the time. I go to this all the time. So whenever I do decide to put on makeup, this is what I'm going to. And excuse this, y'all. This is what I got on. This is how I'm feeling today. You feel me? No, I'm just playing. But yeah, excuse my voice because I've been laying around, not really doing anything. You know, shorty kind of tired from today. But anyways, back to this whole video. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I don't want to make a long video. So yeah, but before we get into this video, I want you guys to make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, tell your friends, tell your family. You know the routine. You know what I'm gonna say. So just do it. Just do it for your girl, okay? And come on, join this tiny game. I don't think I want to say tiny game. I think I really want it to be like tiny fam. Yeah, I don't know. What you think? What should we call each other? I don't know, cause everybody got gang, and I don't wanna have the gang. You know what I'm saying? Cause everybody got that. I want something original. So let's just come up with some stuff, and we can come up with some names. So you can just leave all those names down in the description bar. Not in the description bar, y'all. In the comment section. Yes, in the comment section. And just, you know, try to, let's come up with something. But we already like a couple minutes in here, and I know y'all probably tired of me talking, because I'm tired of talking. So yeah, but before we do anything, y'all, I need to moisturize these lips, because they're kind of chapped, and y'all didn't want to tell me. Y'all was not gonna tell me. But yeah, yeah, my hands are clean. They are clean. And yeah, so yeah, we about to get into this look, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay, bye. end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is a very simple everyday look. I feel like everybody can wear this look. Yeah, I didn't put on no eyeshadow this time, and I really think it's pretty simple, you know, because I'm a simple girl. And I think this look is very simple and it's very easy for everybody to do. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, and let me know what you think about it. I think it's very simple for anybody to do. So yeah, if I can do it, you can do it. You know what I'm saying? And we can do it together, you know? So yeah. If you want to see more videos like this, if you want to see a video of me actually applying my lashes, on how I apply my lashes, just leave a comment down below and make sure you like this video, so I can get out there and get exposed to the beauty community. So I have a goal for myself. I know I didn't want to talk about this, but I kind of am just a little bit before I let you guys go. But yeah, I think I want to set my goal. I want to reach at least, I'm going to say probably by the end of the year, I want to reach at least like 500 subscribers. Maybe 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Hopefully. So make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. And yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.